All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up discounts and coupon codes. So let's navigate over to our products by clicking on products over here on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to click on discounts. So to add a discount, I'm just going to click add discount, and let's go ahead and give this a code. We're going to call it 50 off. This is going to be a manual discount type. This is how you create a coupon code. So keeping it in manual means that you're going to give users this code that they can manually apply at checkout, and that kind of acts as our coupon code. So then we can go ahead and create a value. We're going to call it 50%, and it's enabled. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. So now we've got this 50% code that our users can manually apply at checkout. We can further customize this by setting the details. So again, you can set the value to a percentage or to an amount, and you can apply it to all products or to specific products or specific product variants or specific categories or even surcharges. So we're going to say that this is just applied to all products. And then we have some slightly more advanced settings. So you can either choose to allow combinations. So if they have this code with another code, they can combine those and get 100% off, for example. You can also set a usage limit. So if you hover over the tooltip, this is going to help you limit the total number of times that a discount can be used. So if you want this to be limited to only 100 uses, then this can only be used 100 times. You can also set the availability. So maybe this discount code is only available to users of a certain level within your system. And you can choose the order origin, so where this discount code can be applied. So that is how you can create a basic manual discount code, and we can go ahead and hit save. But what if you want to apply a discount automatically to products in your store? You can do that by clicking add discount, and let's say store-wide 50%, and then we're going to make this automatic, and we're going to say it's 50% as well, and we're going to hit save. So now this is going to be automatically applied to our selected products, which is all products, whenever our users go through the checkout process. So again, I'm going to just hover over the type here to differentiate between manual and automatic. Manual means that in order to get the discount, a customer needs to manually apply that discount code. And automatic means that that discount is automatically applied to all corresponding products. So that is how you can set up discounts and coupons. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to manage product reviews. I'll see you there.